Bonjour mes amis! Today we are going to do a steam challenge. Now this steam challenge is very special for two reasons. The first reason that this steam challenge is special is because we're going to bring this activity right into our kitchen, which we have never done before. And the second reason this steam challenge is really special is because the Ladybug class is going to challenge the Bumblebee class for this activity. So today we are going to make a ladybug using fruits at home and some chocolate and some butter that we have. You can take wild butter or peanut butter if you're not allergic to it. We have some strawberries and apple. So make sure when you're doing this activity in the kitchen, you have an adult supervision. So you can take a butter knife and cut the apple into half. I'm going to use my own knife because that's what I'm comfortable with. So make sure your fruits are washed. So this apple and strawberries are already washed. So I'm going to cut that into half. Now, this apple, I'm going to cut it further and I slice it into two pieces. So I'm going to make sure that I clean this up and take the stem and the seeds out because we don't need those ones. And the other apple is going to cut differently. So I'm going to cut it in this way. It's like you get a star inside. So I'm going to use the other piece. So I'm going to cut this way. And then make sure that I clean this up. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take a plate that I'm going to decorate my ladybug in. So I'll leave this at the bottom. And then I'm going to put the first apple right here. Second one right here. So you got two apples layered on top. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a pastry brush and I'm going to take a little bit of butter and I'm going to just put it here so my chocolate chips are going to stick right on top of my apple. And I'm going to take another one and keep on going. You can add as many chocolate chips as they are able to fit on your apple. If you have a bigger apple, you will have more chocolate chips. And if you have a smaller one, you have less. So here we go, we're almost done. And I got 4 chocolate chips on this side. So how many do I need on the other side? You're right, 4. So I got 1 already. And I'm going to put another one because we're going to try to make it symmetrical. So I have 1 over here and 1 right there. Voila, I'm done with this part. Now what I'm going to do is I have to make a face for a ladybug. So I'm going to cut the back of the strawberry. And again, I'm going to apply some butter. And then just brush it over here. You can have a closer look. And then you just leave it up here. And then what I did cut some chocolate. You can do it a little bigger. And then we just brush it and leave it here on top. And then there's another one. And I'm gonna brush this with the butter. And then leave this as our antennas. So I'm gonna put it up. And if you wanna be really creative, what you can do is you can cut even little smaller pieces of chocolate. Whoops, I think it just needs some more butter. So I'm going to place it right up here. And then you can add some ice if you would like. So make sure you have a nice quantity of butter up there so it sticks well. Otherwise it will fall. And voila. Okay, we're done. It's very easy, and this is a challenge. Our ladybugs are giving it to the Bumblebee class. So let's see your creativity. Show us the pictures, and we'll post it on our website.